Let's talk about rules of integers. This topic is for grade 7 students but this will serve also as a review para sa mga grade 8, grade 9, and grade 10 students, lalong-lalo na yung mga hindi pa nila alam or di kaya nakalimutan na nila yung rules na ito. So, mayroong dalawang uri ng integers, the positive integers and negative integers. So, the positive integers ay yung mga natural numbers or whole numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And negative integers ay yung mga numbers na may negative signs like negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and so on. Now for addition of integers, the rules are positive plus positive equals positive, negative plus negative equals negative, and for adding two integers with different signs is just subtract and copy the sign of a number with bigger absolute value. Now, example for positive plus positive equals positive. So we have here positive 2 plus positive 2 is equal to positive 4. For negative plus negative equals negative. So for example, we have negative 2 plus negative 2 is equal to negative 4. For adding two different signs, so we have here an example. Negative 2 plus positive 4 is equal to 2. Why? Because the bigger value is 4 and its sign is positive, so we will put positive in 2. So another example, we have positive 2 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 2. It is because the bigger value is 4 and its sign is negative, so we will put negative to 2. Now, for the subtraction of integers, the rule is change the sign of a subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, for example, we have here negative 3 minus positive 4 is equal to copy negative 3. Then, we will change the sign of the subtrahend, which is 4. So, magiging negative 4 na siya. Then, proceed to addition. So, i-add natin sila. So, we have negative 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 7. Another example, we have positive 3 minus positive 4. So, copy positive 3. Change the sign of a subtrahend, which is 4. So, since positive 4 man siya, magiging negative 4 na siya. Then, we will proceed to addition. So, we have positive 3 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 1. Since mas malaki si 4 and its sign is negative, so we will put negative to 1. So, in this, we apply the rules of addition of integers. So, another example, we have negative 5 minus negative 5 is equal to just copy negative 5. Then, change the sign of the subtrahend, which is 5. So, its sign is negative man. So, magiging positive na siya. And, proceed to addition. So, we have negative 5 plus positive 5 is equal to 0. For the multiplication of integers, the rules are positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Negative times positive equals negative. And positive times negative equals negative. So, it means kapag same yung sign ng numbers na minumultiply natin, ang result is always positive. So, if different naman yung sign ng dalawang numbers na minumultiply natin, ang result is always negative. For example, for positive times positive, so we have here positive 2 times positive 3 is equal to positive 6. Now, for negative times negative equals positive, so we have an example, negative 2 times negative 2 is equal to positive 4. Now, para sa magkaibang sign naman, so for example, we have negative 2 times positive 3 is equal to negative 6. And another example, we have positive 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4. Now, for the division of integers, is magkapareho lang sila ni multiplication of integers ng rules. So we have here positive divided by positive is equal to positive. Negative divided by negative is equal to positive. Negative divided by positive is equal to negative. And positive divided by negative is equal to negative. So, kapag magkapareho ng sign is equal to positive. Kapag magkaiba naman is equal to negative. For example, for both positive, so we have positive 4 divided by positive 2 is equal to positive 2. So for both negative, we have here an example. Negative 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to positive 2. Para sa magkaibang sign naman, so example, we have here negative 4 divided by positive 2 is equal to negative 2. Another example, we have here positive 4 divided by negative 2 is equal to negative 2.